Do you ever check how much time you actually spend on Instagram each day? It's easy to lose track without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Instagram activity step by step using your Android phone so you can see your usage clearly. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity, scroll down. Here, you'll see a section called Time Management. Tap on it. Now you can view your daily average time spent on each day of the week, and even set a daily time limit reminder. You can tap on Set Daily Reminder to control your usage and avoid spending too much time scrolling. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tips. See you at the next one, guys.